Go to IFTTT and make an account. If you use Heroku, you need to configure your maker key in the config vars of your NS account. There you can set up the maker_key config with the key value from IFTTT, and in the enable config, you need to add maker as a value. Follow these instructions to get the setup. We'll add link to descriptions below. If this, choose a webhook service. Select Receive a web request with a JSON payload. Enter one of the Nightscout events listed above, like NS warning low, and click Create Trigger. Then that. Select a service action equals Android SMS. Select Sender SMS. Fill in with your phone number, with country code. You now should get a text message when you are low. Remember, you will need to add it in Heroku, config vars and maker_key. I will show you now where the maker key is located, after you have first made one in the setup process of creating an applet. My services. Go to Webhooks. Settings. This is your maker key, to be putting in Heroku config vars. Just add this section to Heroku config vars. All finished. You should now get text messages on your low readings.